Hello guys, what's up? So today I'm trying my first drone fly in Long Prabang here, and this is very good broad area and out of no fly zone. So now I'm very excited. First of all, let's take like rule and regulation here. I need to talk with man at the security office. So let's go and take the permit. Actually my drone is very small. It's DJI Neo 2 and only 150 grams. So it's a very light, small one. But anyway, this is a public place, so I need permit for sure. Let's stick with that. Long Prabang is very beautiful today. I will show you. Wow, what a nice view. I can't wait to fly. You know, it's very different in the drone camera with our eyes because we never experienced the view from like 40 meters above the sky. Like the drone is in another level. So the perspective changed a lot. That's the experience I want today. So let's check it out.
5 minutes later.
Okay, it's a good news. Finally, I got permission to fly here. And the policeman here is very polite and very kind. So I'm very happy now. Okay, so this is my Neo 2 box. Hello buddy, how are you? So today I will try shooting quick shot. Quick shots are ready-made drone shot that are already installed in DJI Neo 2. This is droning. I can fly. Finally, I can fly. Good. So the dog is barking me, so I'm afraid of dogs. Now I land already. So we got one video now. Okay, let's fly here. We have like the big statues and the building, and we can see Long Prabang here. So I think it's a good place to fly. This is my first time. Yeah. So now it's time for follow mode. Let's go slow. Can you see the drone? Where? Not there. Okay, now I stop flying because my phone is overheating. It's not its fault because I live in the sunlight for like 20 minutes while talking with a guy from Canada who he is really kind. Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Okay, I think it's okay now. Let's fly more. Okay, bro, let's do it. This is Long Prabang. It's amazing. It's amazing. He's flying really high. I didn't expect that much. I didn't expect that much. Hey! We done. So today I'm satisfied with my flight experience. So this is a good first flight for me, and I really satisfied it. And let's go back, and we have to make videos. Of course, I will post the video as soon as possible. So we will see you in next video as well.